We're now going to demonstrate the tube swing. So firstly, we're going to show you different positions that you can use the swing for. So really good for body awareness and posture and motor planning. There we go, so adding some rotational input there, some spinning. And then lying prone. So this is a motor planning activity. So really, again, using the praxis, having to think about what you need to do and execute the task. It also is using both sides of your body, and it's using visual spatial. So we're integrating all of those different systems without them even realizing it. So now it's about having to navigate, climbing all the way through, using all of your body and lots of core strength. It's also about getting them to engage in novel activities that they wouldn't normally engage in, and and have lots of fun with it as well. And it's a real sense of achievement once you've completed the task.